Hi, today we're making a panko-crusted ahi with a soy wasabi butter sauce. Okay, the first thing we do is make the panko ahi roll, okay, using fresh tuna, arugula, and spinach. So I'm gonna make my mix, okay? You just grab a little bit of arugula, okay, and a little bit of spinach. Okay, mix it all around. Okay, you can use any type of green you want, but we like this combination. If you just use arugula, it's really good because it gives us nice peppery flavor. Okay, got our seaweed, our nori, and we're going to use a little bit of sushi rice, or you can use any kind of rice as a paste. Okay, then we get our greens. Okay, gonna put it on this mat. You don't have to need it. You don't need a mat, but I like the mat because I like the uniform. And then you think this is a lot, but this is just the right amount of arugula and spinach. Okay, then fresh ahi, right from our Hawaiian waters. We'll take that, cut it to the right length. Okay, and put it right in the center of everything. Then salt it liberally. Okay, and now we can rock and roll. Okay, and make sure you press it down because we don't want that much air in the roll itself. I look at it here like this, the seaweed's coming down and it's going right on top of our glue, the rice. Pressing it down. Okay. And there's a roll. Now we get our roll, we dust it in flour so the batter will stick to it. And then we dip it into our tempura batter. Okay. And then in our panko. Okay, now we're ready to fry.
Hey guys, Chef Adrian here. Now we're gonna do the GCOB, the soy wasabi butter sauce. So what it basically is a traditional regular butter sauce. Some people call it a beurre blanc, but just a butter sauce. And what we have here is the rest of the ingredients. Here are the steps. So first we're gonna add the sweet Thai chili and then our soy and wasabi, or soy and wasabi. But first you don't wanna just add the soy and wasabi all at once. You wanna kind of build the sauce up. So we have our butter sauce, which is basically cream, butter, and aromatics, which are on the recipe. And then our just sweet chili sauce. Just gonna add it. The spec should be on the recipe, That brings it all together, makes it a nice little orangey color. Need some more. So now we're gonna mix our wasabi and our soy sauce just like you would if you were eating sushi. You kind of want to break that up. The wasabi is gonna give it a kick. The soy sauce gives it some savoriness. But you want to really mix this up first. If not, you're going to have a big clump of wasabi on your panko, which isn't bad if you like that. So now that we have this sauce, we're going to combine both of them. And it should give a dark color, nice brown color. So it'll be sweet, savory, and also have a kick. And what we do here is get it ready for service.
Okay, so this kind of collaboration between the sushi bar and the kitchen. We do the roll, they'll fry it, they'll make the sauce. So we're gonna put this into the fryer, okay, and let it get nice and brown on the outside while still being raw on the inside. While we're doing that, we're gonna start plating, okay, our sauce. Okay, put a nice generous portion of the sauce down, okay, and sprinkle it with green onions and sesame seeds. By this time, it should be nice and brown. Oh, looking good. Just a little more, okay? You want the outside to be nice and brown and crispy, and then the inside to be raw. And you'll see once I cut it open. Okay, there you go, look at that. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. And there it is, our Panko-Crusted ahi with the soy wasabi butter sauce.